Hey cruisers, Mr. CruiseTipsTV has owned just about every version of the RAVPower Filehub ever released, and he's always been happy with them. When RAVPower asked us if we'd like to review the latest version of their multi-purpose Filehub, we said, heck yeah. To be clear, RAV sent us this product for free, but we are free to express our own views about it. Oh, and hubby paid for all the previous models we've owned. This model, like the others, has many functions, so let's quickly run through them. As the name says, it's a file hub. What that means is you can connect USB hard drives, flash drives, smartphones, tablets, and even PC and laptops and copy, transfer, and view files like photos and videos. For example, you could plug in an SD card to the RAVPower Filehub and then use your phone to view or copy the photos on your phone. This is not the only way to do this, but just think of it as a way to access files on different devices from one central hub. You can also play media through it. So you'd first connect whatever device you have your media on to the RAVPower, a USB hard drive, for example. Then you'd access the RAV via your phone or tablet and play back the media. This also has one key backup, which is probably going to be the best feature for us when we cruise. How this works is you first connect something like a USB hard drive to the RAV, then plug in your SD card, press the button, and bam! The files on the SD card are backed up to the hard drive, safe and sound. According to RAVPower, the one key backup from SD to hard disk or flash drive copies easily at speeds around 12 to 18 megs per second without a computer. We didn't test it yet, but it sounds fast enough to me. And you can also use this as a travel router. So you'd connect this thing to either the wireless access point or even wired Ethernet, and then use it to share the connection with all of your other devices. So basically, instead of connecting your phone, tablet, or laptop to the provider's internet, you connect this thing, and then everything connects to this. Mr. CruiseTipsTV does this for us all the time. We can't go into detail on how to do this because internet access point configuration changes essentially for every location. He says it can get kind of complicated, but he always seems to figure it out. And so can you. RAV says you'll get 300 megs per second Wi-Fi speed on the 2.4 gigahertz band and up to 433 megs on 5 gigahertz. So it's a great way to share internet access with multiple Wi-Fi devices. That was a tongue twister. RAVPower says it will do this via the AP mode, router mode, or bridge, but it doesn't support VPN. I'm not sure what all this means, but I know it works for us. I'm sure Mr. CruiseTipsTV understands it, but yeah, I just want my internet to work, you know? He figures it out. All right, one last thing. The RAVPower Filehub can also be used to charge USB devices. It's pretty simple. You just plug the USB cord into the hub, then into your device. Super simple. Even I could do that. So there's lots of different ways to use this, but we can't go through them all. It would just take too long. We've just kind of covered the way that we use it. Of course, there are a couple of things we'd like to have seen on this model. USB-C connectivity would have been nice, and someday we'd love to see built-in storage. Maybe on the next model. For the price though, this thing is tough to beat. We have linked to this product in the description of the video, and we hope that you will check out the RAVPower brand. They are simply awesome, and we use them all the time. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time, friends, get in gear and get cruising. Bye-bye.